viewers. Today I'm gonna take apart this Lasko stand fan motor assembly. Not to imagine, but this fan is no longer gonna be here because something is failing, or not failing. Something is quitting onto this control panel, and that is the speed control. So I think this thing right here is starting to short, and I don't know for whatever reason why it's doing this. And by the way, this fan is like, I don't know how old this fan is, but I know it's like several years old or something like that. But I'm gonna get a replacement fan, which is gonna be not a Lasko. It's gonna be a high velocity fan, just like my little chrome one that you always see that you saw before, when I cleaned it. But it's gonna be a larger fan, which is gonna be powerful like this one, but it's gonna be different. And I got my screwdriver right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take this apart now. I never really took this apart, not to imagine, since it doesn't even work. Work right, rather. It still runs, but it only runs on 2 speeds now. So, that really case of fact. Hold on. Okay, well, definitely gonna get to the breakfast part. I'm gonna have to probably cut the video off and then do it again after I do this, but this should all come off very easily, or it should come very easily. Wow, these are machine screws. Okay, that's a little surprising there. Is straight. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing, because otherwise you guys don't know it's a freak show. Okay. Alright, it's all good. Wow, it's pretty filthy. Look at that. Okay. This is what the motor looks like. Yeah, so now I gotta undo the back now. That will come off. Oh my God. That is really filthy. That is really filthy. Okay, I'm gonna have to clean this off camera. I'm not gonna do this right now, but I'm definitely gonna have to clean it off camera. Okay, well, anyways, I think I'll cut the video off here. But man, that is really filthy. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video of me taking this motor apart, then you guys can like and subscribe, comment down below, and out.